Number one request that I get as a professional makeup artist is, how can I do eyeshadows with hooded eyes? I am here to teach you. I don't have hooded eyes. These are examples here of what a hooded eye usually looks like. The biggest thing is that your crease basically folds on top of your lid and you have no noticeable lid. Always priming the eyes. This is just going to even out the skin tone. Make sure that you take some kind of setting powder, press this all over the eyelid. Use a little bit of a mid-tone shade and a fluffy brush like this that has a dome tip. Place this color above your crease. Wherever your eye folds when you stick your finger, you're going to place it a little bit above that. And instead of creating a rounded look, start right there at the center, right above the crease. We're going to create a straight line out. This is going to create lift and open up the eye. From the tail of my brow to the outer corner of my eye, create a little triangle. This is going to serve as a base for the rest of our eyeshadow. And everything inwards, we're going to go into something a little bit darker. You want to start more with like a medium brown shade. We're always building up our eyeshadow. To place this color below it, but not on our crease. In the same exact shape, and placing that on the outer corner of the eye. Use that same exact color and a smaller brush to create a little bit more detail. A 7 from the tail of our brow to the outer corner of our eyeball. Just start stamping that on the outer corner of the eye. The smaller and denser the brush, the more color payoff that you get. I'm going to use the fluffy side to blend out the edges. If you want to, you can grab something a little tiny bit darker. Start with a little bit and work your way up. Place this a little more inwards, creating that straight shape. This will open the eye a lot more and give you some instant lift. To take a soft shimmer shade, use our finger to go ahead and press this onto our lid. We want to make sure that this color goes above our lid into our fake crease that we created. Create more of an open eye effect. And grab that small brush just to get a little bit more precise. And use that same shimmer shade to place on the brow bone to give an instant eye lift. Lean up the edges of our eyeshadow, just off the excess. Look at how open and awake our eye looks. Be sure to save this video. And if you recreate this makeup look, be sure to use the hashtag MichyTaughtMe. Follow for more pro makeup artist tips on how to elevate your routine like a pro.